Flow, it's everywhere. From the water in your tap, to the fuel in an aircraft engine, and even the oxygen in hospitals. But how do industries actually measure flow? Today, we're exploring the flow meter, the eye of every industrial process. What is flow meter? A flow meter is a device used to measure the rate of flow or quantity of a liquid or gas moving through a pipe. In simple words, it tells us how fast and how much fluid is passing. In industries like oil and gas, chemical plants, food processing, and water treatment, flow meters are the heart of monitoring systems. Why flow measurement is important? Accurate flow measurement means accurate control. If the flow is too high, systems can overheat or overflow. If it's too low, production slows down. That's why every instrumentation technician must understand how flow meters work. Types of flow meters. There are many types of flow meters, each based on a different working principle. Let's break them down one by one. 1. Differential pressure flow meter. It measures the pressure difference across an orifice plate, venturi tube, or flow nozzle. The higher the pressure difference, the faster the flow. 2. Positive displacement flow meter. It measures the actual volume of fluid passing by trapping it in small chambers, like gears or pistons. These are used for oil, fuel, and viscous liquids. 3. Turbine flow meter. A small turbine rotates as the fluid passes through. The rotation speed is directly proportional to the flow rate. 4. Electromagnetic flow meter, magmeter. It uses Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. When a conductive liquid passes through a magnetic field, voltage is generated, indicating flow rate. 5. Ultrasonic flow meter. It sends ultrasonic waves through the fluid. By measuring the time it takes for waves to travel, the meter calculates the flow velocity. 6. Coriolis flow meter. This is the most accurate type. It measures mass flow using vibration and inertia effects. As fluid passes through vibrating tubes, a phase shift occurs. That shift tells the exact mass flow. Flow meter components. A typical flow meter has three main parts: sensor or transducer, transmitter or indicator, and sometimes a totalizer to count total flow. The sensor detects movement. The transmitter converts it to an electrical signal. And the indicator shows flow in liters per minute or cubic meters per hour. Installation tips. For accurate readings, install flow meters in straight pipe sections. Avoid air bubbles and vibrations. And ensure proper grounding, especially for magnetic and ultrasonic types. Calibration and maintenance. Calibration is key. Compare your meter's reading with a reference standard regularly. Clean sensors periodically, especially in dirty or viscous fluids. Real-world applications. Flow meters are used everywhere, from refineries and chemical plants to water treatment, food, and pharmaceutical industries. Conclusion. So next time you see a gauge or a transmitter on a pipe, remember, that's not just a number. It's the heartbeat of your entire process. Flow meter, measure the motion of industry.